So you've just completed ImPACT, ImPACT Pediatric or ImPACT Quick Test, and now you need a place to store your unique 12-digit ID. ImPACT Passport is a free and easy-to-use Android or iPhone concussion care app where you can record your ImPACT Passport ID, find a concussion care specialist, record your symptoms, and when it comes time to seek care, your test scores and symptoms are readily available to your healthcare provider at any time. To start, download ImPACT Passport from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. When the app is ready, simply enter your first and last name the same way you entered it for the test. Next, add your date of birth. And finally, your ImPACT Passport ID. Now, when entering your ImPACT Passport ID, don't use any dashes, and try to avoid using like the letter O instead of the number 0 or an uppercase I instead of the number 1. Now, since ImPACT Passport only stores your name and unique ID, you won't be able to actually view your test results, but by using the app, you can find a qualified healthcare provider that can go over the test results with you and answer any questions you may have. Ready to get started? Download ImPACT Passport from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store today.